Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Metamorphose puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the Metamorphoses puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is quite interesting. You have to put all these parts that you can find on the right side of the frame to the left side of the frame. But as you can see, there are some restrictions. These two sliders, they can move. And this area has a different shape. It is 6 by 6, but this area is a little bit different since it is 9 by 4. But in total, it is 36 voxels in each area. That means that you will be able to fit all of these parts here. But you have to find the correct sequence, how to move the parts from one area to another, and you have to find the correct assembling of all parts inside this area, since there will be no empty voxels. All parts supposed to fit in this area, and you have to find the exact position for each and every piece. This puzzle has more than one solution. There is official solution from Jean-Claude Constantin, but while I was solving the puzzle, I found at least a couple of more different solutions. But it still makes this puzzle quite a challenging puzzle to solve. Finding even one solution will be difficult, since there are some restrictions. As you can see, you can't just lift the parts up and put them to the left side. You can use this wooden piece to move the parts. And that's how this puzzle becomes not just a packing puzzle, but a dexterity packing puzzle, since it is not that easy to maneuver parts from one side to another. Like, when this piece is in the corner, it is very difficult to move it now. So you have to either tilt the box or find another way how to move it, since when you have plenty of parts here and you need to move just one piece and you tilt the for puzzle, all the parts will slide as well. So you have to be very careful when you do any moves with the parts, since it may ruin your whole solution. So it is quite a fun puzzle, which will take you a lot of time to solve. It will be quite a nice coffee table puzzle, since you can solve it again and again and enjoy it for quite some time. If you like the Metamorphoses puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.